I had the question posed to me about, what plants inspire me, and you have a nursery full of plants, and I really started thinking about it. And today I landed on the hydrangeas. Yes, everybody knows hydrangea, but there is improvements in the hydrangeas. We'll start with like the most classic hydrangea. We have flowerful, which is a smooth hydrangea, arborescens, which is similar to Annabelle. The difference with this one is it is very rigid. It will not flop. It is a rebloomer, and the size is perfect. It's about a 4 to 5 foot tall by 5 foot wide. Fits anywhere in the landscape. This one is probably best suited with a little bit of a part sun, part shade situation, but it can definitely handle full sun with the right hydration. Then we're gonna hop into oak leaf hydrangea. This is Jetstream. Again, you're talking 4 foot tall, 4 to 5 foot wide, incredible blooms with a fantastic fall foliage that is going to be a Merlot color. Fits most spots in a landscape. East side of the house, usually my favorite place for that. Finally, we'll move on to a paniculata. This guy loves as much sun as you could possibly throw at it. This one's called Spring Sizzle. It's going to be very rigid. Starts out with a white bloom, finishes with an incredibly dark, beautiful red. It's going to be another 4 to 5 foot tall, about 5 foot wide. But again, large landscape, small landscape, they have all the different homes.